Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable GitHub Copilot for writing SQL in VS Code, beginner guide step by step clearly. To enable GitHub Copilot for writing SQL in Visual Studio Code, start by opening the Visual Studio Code application on your computer. Make sure you have an active GitHub account. Next, navigate to the Extensions view by clicking on the Extensions icon in the activity bar on the side of VS Code. In the search box at the top, type GitHub Copilot to find the extension. Click on the Install button to add the GitHub Copilot extension to your setup. Once it's installed, you will see a prompt to sign in with your GitHub account. Click on the Sign In button and follow the authentication process. Once signed in, open a new file or an existing SQL file in your project. To activate GitHub Copilot, start typing in SQL query in the editor. As you type, you will notice suggestions appearing automatically. You can accept a suggestion by pressing the Tab key. If the suggestion doesn't fit your needs, you can continue typing or use the arrow keys to navigate to alternative suggestions. For more complex queries, consider typing a comment that describes what you want, and Copilot will generate relevant SQL code based on your prompt. If you ever want to disable GitHub Copilot, go back to the Extensions view. Find GitHub Copilot in the list of installed extensions and click on the gear icon next to it. From the drop-down menu, select Disable. To re-enable it, you can follow the same steps, selecting Enable instead. Now you are ready to enhance your SQL coding experience with GitHub Copilot in Visual Studio Code. Experiment with various queries to see how well Copilot assists you. Adjust your coding styles and preferences to find what works best for you. Engage with GitHub Copilot regularly for better suggestions over time. Enjoy coding with the power of AI assistance at your fingertips. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.